In this video, we will go over what are the researched mental health benefits of sauna going. We have covered the physical health benefits of sauna going before. We will put a link to that video here and to the description. But as said, this video is about the actual mental health benefits that sauna going has been shown to offer. Everything I talk about this video is based on the 20-year extensive study conducted by the University of Eastern Finland here in Finland. This is easily the biggest and most extensive study ever conducted about the health benefits of sauna going, and everything I talk today is directly from this great study conducted by University of Eastern Finland. Finland has been ranked the happiest country in the world for the past 7 years in a row. Could it be because we have more saunas per capita than any other country? My name is Veeti. I'm a Finnish sauna expert, sauna enthusiast, and a lifelong sauna goer, and also a Finnish native. So in this video, I'm going to explain why sauna going has been beneficial for my personal mental health. I have been going to saunas my whole life. I will also highlight the 3 mental health benefits revealed by a world-famous sauna research conducted, as I told you in the beginning, here in Finland. The world we live in is more connected than ever before, yet we still feel lonely inside. Mental health disorders are present in our developed societies in all-time high numbers. While the technology that you are using right now to watch my video can theoretically connect everyone globally and can connect us all with each other, it can't connect us with ourselves. However, sauna can connect us with our inner selves. Why is that? When you go to sauna alone, you have nothing to do. Your smartphone or any other electric device is luckily not capable of handling the hot and humid environment that a proper Finnish sauna creates. When you go to a sauna alone, it's really just you sitting alone in the sauna benches, and there is a strong indication that it's boredom which forces you to think about things that you should be really thinking about and that you might be avoiding when you are using your smartphone and other devices. After all, meditation is just about observing your thoughts while sitting in silence. Sauna is a perfect place for meditation and quiet relaxation. It's just you and your thoughts. Sauna also helps you really connect with other sauna goers if you go to sauna together with other people. Well, why is that? When you go to a sauna with your buddies, it's just you and them shooting the breeze, laughing and being present. At least that's what I do with my friends when I go to a sauna. When you go to a sauna with your significant other, it's the perfect time to connect on a deeper level, solve the issues you might have experienced, or just plan about your future together. These are the things we Finns do in our saunas. Saunas which we have more than cars in this country. This 8th world wonder has been a big contributor to making us one of the happiest nations on earth for decades. I can objectively say that going to sauna has made my life better. It has been those silent moments inside a sauna when I have been sitting there alone, where I have been able to solve some of my deepest problems and come up with some of my best ideas that have made me rather successful in life so far. It has also been something that has made my relationships with my friends better when we have gone to sauna together, and we do that actually every week with my friend group, and we just talk and figure out each other's problems and connect on a level that is very, very difficult to do outside of the sauna environment. This is enough about the foo-foo stuff, so let's go over what the actual research shows about the mental health benefits of sauna going. So I have divided this factual section of the video into 3 different topics. Firstly, research of Dr. Jari Laukkanen, a Finnish university researcher and professor, shows that men who sauna 4 to 7 times a week have 78% lower risk of developing psychotic symptoms in the future compared to men who sauna only once a week. These sauna studies are conducted here in Finland with those research personas, so people going to sauna 4 to 7 times a week and other group going to sauna once a week, because it's easy to find sauna goers from Finland since everyone goes to the sauna. Also, we can't use the people who don't go to sauna at all as a target group, because that kind of control group doesn't simply exist. every single one living in Finland goes to sauna. Second mental health benefit that researchers have found is that heat therapy has been tried as a treatment for people who are in the hospital because of mental health disorders. Preliminary findings suggest that heat therapy is beneficial for treating moderate or severe depression. However, more research is needed to confirm this one. The third mental health benefit that the research indicates is that sweating in a sauna has been found to keep your brain healthy and prevent dementia. In Finnish research that started with 2,315 healthy Finnish men, researchers compared the people who went to sauna once a week to a man who went to sauna 4 to 7 times a week. Study found that the group who went to sauna more, so 4 to 7 times a week, were 65% less likely to get dementia over a long period of time compared to the group that went to sauna once a week. So, to summarize the actual research findings, sauna going has been shown to lower the risk of developing psychotic symptoms. Heat therapy has been shown to offer some help with mental health disorders overall, and sweating in a sauna has been proven to prevent dementia. I think it's safe to say that saunas have strong mental health benefits in addition to the physical ones. A piece of advice a lifetime sauna goer myself would like to give all of you is that don't try to bring your electric devices to sauna. Leave all of them outside of the sauna. Forget the speakers, forget the widgets. Don't allow yourself to bring the digital world into the sauna. I fully understand it can be relaxing at times to listen to something or entertain your bored monkey mind while sweating in the upper bench. But if you want to achieve the maximal mental and physical health benefits and the clarity of mind that sauna going can bring you, I would advise you to leave your iPhone and AirPods outside of your sauna room. At least I would never consider bringing anything digital into the sauna, but you do whatever you want. Based on the questionnaire researcher Lassi Liikkanen conducted in 2016, 84% of Finnish sauna goers who answered the questionnaire do not tolerate any kind of mobile technology inside a sauna. So if you come to Finland and go to sauna, please bring your mobile phones outside. If you want to learn what the original Finnish sauna research has to say about the physical health benefits of sauna going, click here and watch my video where I talk about the physical health benefits that sauna going has shown to have.